Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on set off and carry forward of losses. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it and share and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. It's an example of a problem on set off and carry forward of losses. The question runs like this. The following, let me stress this one here. Are the incomes and losses of Srimati Rani for the previous year 2019-20. Income from salary. Let me insert the symbol of the rupee here. Rupees 95,000. Rent received from house property, rupees 15,000. Profit from cloth business, 45,000. Loss from cotton business, rupees 9,000. Then E, profit from speculation business, 30,000. Long-term capital gain, rupees 14,500. Short-term capital loss, 9,000. She also gives the following particulars of her losses brought forward from the assessment year 2019-20. Loss from cloth business, rupees 7,500. Loss from groundnut business, discontinued in the same year, 30,000. Loss from speculation business, rupees 32,500. Long-term capital loss, rupees 6,000. Loss from horse race, rupees 2,500. Compute her gross total income for the assessment year 2020-21. So now let us work out this problem here. Solution: computation of gross total income. Name of the SC: Srimati Rani. Previous year 2019-20, whereas the assessment year 2021. So let me insert the column here. Particulars, inter source, interhead, carry forward, gross total income. So now let us discuss here. So here income from salary is given as rupees 95,000. So this is a computed salary only. Then rent received from house property. So we need to compute income from house property. Then profit from cloth business is given as rupees 45,000. And we have got brought forward loss from cloth business 7,500. So this can be adjusted here. Then similarly loss from cotton business can also be adjusted here. Then loss from groundnut business can also be adjusted. If there is any remaining loss, that we can adjust against income from house property. Then we have got a profit from speculation business 30,000, but whereas we have got loss from speculation business 32,500. So remaining speculation loss of rupees 2,500 should be carried forward to the next assessment year. Then when it comes to the long-term capital gain, we have given 14,500, whereas we have given a brought forward long-term capital loss. So 6,000 can be adjusted, remaining will be 8,500. So against 8,500, the short-term capital loss of rupees 9,000 can be adjusted. So the remaining short-term capital loss of rupees 500 can be carried forward to the next assessment year. Then there is a loss from a horse race which cannot be adjusted here, and even it cannot be carried forward. So now let us go for calculating here. Income from salary. So here income from salary, directly we can take it to GTI column. So income from salary is given in the problem as rupees 95,000. Then the next comes here, income from house property. So here it is given as rent received. Rent received from property less deduction under section 24, that is standard deduction, which is taken as 30% of annual value of rupees 15,000. So now let us calculate here. We have got rent so from property as given as rupees 15,000. Then this 4,500 is subtracted. So let me underline here. And we have got the difference of rupees 10,500. This is what is nothing but income from the house property. So income from house property, which shall be taken to enter head set of column, that is 10,500. Then income from business. So now we have got profit from cloth business. So profit from cloth business less set off of brought forward loss from groundnut business, and we can also adjust set off of brought forward loss from cloth business. So here business. Okay, so now let us take the values here. We have given in the problem profit from cloth business as rupees of 45,000. So 45,000 minus that, we can indicate the minus bracket here, so 30,000. Then there will be still 15,000 income from business, against which we can adjust 7,500 of loss from cloth business. So now let's underline here. So the difference, now let us see. So there will be remaining 7,500. So this is what we get here, income from business. Income from business less loss from cotton business. This is a current year's loss. So here it comes to 9,000. So 9,000. So there will be loss from business, that is 1,500. So this loss can be adjusted. So loss from business, and this can be adjusted less set off of loss from business So here the difference here is 1500. Now let me underline here. So the difference here is 9,000. So this is income from house property. So this can be taken to GTI column. Then capital gains. So we have given long-term capital gain for the present previous year, and we have got a brought forward long-term capital loss that can be adjusted. So less set off of brought forward loss from brought forward long-term capital loss. So now let's take here the values. So long-term capital gain for the current previous year is rupees, oh sorry, we have missed before that. Let's take one more here. Profit from business less profit from speculation business less set off of brought forward loss from business so here it is a profit from business is given as rupees 30,000. So 30,000. There is a brought forward speculation loss which amounts to rupees 32,500. 32,500. So there is a still 2,500 loss will be remaining. So 2,500. This is loss from speculation business, so which will be carried forward to the next assessment year. So now let us see the long-term capital gain here. So long-term capital gain, which is given the problem as rupees 14,500. So 14,500. Then we have got a set off of long-term brought forward long-term cap loss, which is given the problem as rupees 6,000 here. So now there will be income, that is rupees 8,500. 8,500. So this is long-term capital gain remaining, against which we can adjust less set off of short-term capital loss. So short-term capital loss for the current year, it is rupees 9,000. So 9,000. So now let me underline here. So still there will be unabsorbed loss of rupees 500. This is a short-term capital loss which shall be carried forward to the next assessment year. Then long-term cap loss cannot be set off here. So let's do the totaling here. So in case of the set off here, we have got a 2,500, this plus 500, which comes to 3,000. Then here in case of 95,000 plus 9,000, which comes to rupees 1,04,000. Notes number 1 here. Remaining short-term capital loss. Remaining short-term capital loss cannot be adjusted against other heads of incomes, and hence it is carried forward. Remaining speculation loss of rupees 2,500 should be carried forward against, should be carried forward to the next assessment year. Loss from business can be adjusted against income from house property here. Then the one more, loss from horse race cannot be adjusted against other heads of incomes and cannot be carried forward. So these are the notes which are necessary to be given here. So let me bold here so that it will be more distinctive here. Even though we have got income from a non-speculation business, this 2,500 loss cannot be adjusted there. Here it is, income from business remaining, it can be taken here. Then income from salary. Yeah, let me make this as a bold here. So this is with respect to a set off of the losses pertaining to business, house, property, capital gain here. So very simple problems, and we should provide as much as notes to justify our answer. Thank you.